So, you want to build a commercial greenhouse. At SEF, we're your complete solution for designing and building custom structures. We start the journey by defining what you want to achieve. Are you expanding your business, retrofitting an existing greenhouse, or starting from scratch? Our team of architects and designers will work on developing the perfect solution tailored to your needs. We manufacture all structural components in-house, ensuring top quality and timely delivery. The entire construction process is managed from start to finish, with project managers overseeing site preparation and foundation work to the installation of all necessary systems. Ensuring you're ready to operate your new greenhouse efficiently, we conduct a final walkthrough where we thoroughly review all systems and features. Ready to elevate your agriculture with a custom greenhouse? Contact SEF today and let's start building your vision into reality.